Hello and welcome to my easy cooking kitchen. I'm Ellie, this is my sous chef back there, and today we're starting a brand new segment on this channel called No Oven, No Problem. For our debut episode, we're going to show you how to make a biscuit chocolate cake. So before we get started, make sure to drop a comment below, let me know if you like this type of videos and if you want me to do more of them. Shall we get started? Here's what you'll need. Feel free to use any nut you'd like, plus I used milk for the ganache, but you can use heavy cream if you want to. Just keep in mind the fat percentage will be higher. We'll start by crushing the biscuits. You don't need to turn it into a powder. The chunkier parts taste great when it's done. Next, we'll toast the nuts over medium heat for about 5 minutes, give it a stir and then add them to the biscuits. Now we'll take our sugar and cocoa powder and using our trusty whisk, we'll combine them well and gradually add in the water while we're whisking away. That looks about right, so we'll add the butter in and place it over medium heat. We'll bring it to a boil while stirring constantly, which should take about 8 minutes. When done, we'll remove it from the heat, add the vanilla extract to it and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Once it's cooled, we'll pour it over the mixture and combine it well. Now we'll take our new mixture and transfer it to a 23 cm round cakeware and press it well with a spoon. Cover and place it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes. For the ganache, we'll use a bain-marie. Just pour in the milk or cream, add the chocolate and let it sit for a minute before stirring it until it's smooth. I chose to use a chocolate with 75% cacao in it. When it reaches this consistency, just pour it over the cake, spread it around, and straight back to the fridge for about 3 hours. I accidentally left mine for longer, so it cracked. That happens in the kitchen, so don't worry about it. It still tasted amazing, just ask my family. Decorate it however you see right, slice and serve. After seeing how simple it is, I hope you'll make it soon. Leave a comment below and let me know how you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!